Alright guys, today I'm going to show you how to replace your serpentine belt on all 87 and 93 Foxbody Mustangs. The first thing we're going to want to do is locate the nut that allows us to remove tension off the belt. You're going to want to take your breaker bar and line it up with this nut right here. Once it's in there, go ahead and push down, and that'll release tension off your belt. Now you can remove the serpentine belt. So our Foxbody Mustang came from the factory with no air conditioning, so the way our belt is going to be routed may be different than yours. Please check online to see how your belt should be routed before continuing. Alright, so we're going to want to route the new belt where it needs to go. So you see these threads right here? That tells you that it's going to be this bottom side of the belt. If you see the flat side, it's most likely going to be the flat part of the belt. Once you get your belt routed correctly, you're going to need to put tension on this pulley in order to get the belt underneath it. I'm going to pull it off this side just enough so I can get my breaker bar underneath it and pull. That'll release enough tension. I can put the belt on the alternator pulley here as well as underneath this pulley and then slowly release it to get the desired tension, and we're back in business.